Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about simple machines in Unit 3. Now, in this module, let's see about simple machines. In our day-to-day life, we use simple machines. So, what is simple machines? Simple machines are tools which are used to make our work easier. For example, if you want to cut a paper or a cloth, what you'll need? Yes, the answer is scissor. Scissor is a simple machine. So let's see some examples of simple machines. First one is pulley. Second one is wedge. Third one is inclined plane. Fourth one is screw. Fifth one is lever. Sixth one is wheel and axle. Our next topic is pulley. A pulley is a machine made up of a wheel with a cut around it. A rope or chain passes around the pulley. It rotates in the direction with more force. If you take well as an example, it has a wheel with a cut around it and a rope passes through it, in which one end of the rope is fixed with a bucket and one end will be let free to hold it with our hands and to apply force. So, this is an example of pulley. Some other examples are crane and well, etc. Our next topic is inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat sloping surface with one end higher than another. Examples are ramp, slide, and slope for wheelchair. In the picture, you can see a girl sliding in the slide and a man lifting a box from the ramp. These are the examples of inclined plane. In this picture, you can see one end is higher and another end is lower. Our next topic is wedge. A wedge is a tool with a sharp edge which can be used to split materials. It is used to break wooden logs into two pieces. In the picture, you can see a man breaking an wooden log into two pieces with the help of axe. An axe is a type of wedge. The other examples of wedge are knife, scissors, and axe. A wedge is triangular in shape with one sharp end and the other two end is flat, which is connected to the wooden handle. Our next topic is screw. The screw is used to raise weights and to hold objects together. If you take an sharpener as an example, how it is connected with the blade? The blade inside the sharpener is fixed with the help of screw. So, screw is used to hold objects together. The examples of screw are pencil sharpener, screw jack, bottle cap, and windmill. Our next topic is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle consist of a wheel attached to a small rod so that these two parts rotate together. A wheel is circular in shape and the axle is nothing but the small rod in which the wheel is attached with it. The examples of wheel and axle are bicycle wheel, doorknob, grinder, and axle wheel. Next, we are going to see about lever. A lever is used to multiply the force we give on an object. A lever is a tool like a bar or rod that sits and turns on a fixed support called fulcrum. In the seesaw, the middle part that is fixed with the ground is fulcrum. When you use a lever, you apply a small force over the long distance and the lever converts it into larger force over a shorter distance.